Hi, I'm Rachel and I'm the face behind our Grey Corner Instagram account. This is my house and we've been here for just over a year doing a renovation. We're now at the stage where we're looking to have a new front door. This is our current front door. It's not very stylish, it's very stiff and it doesn't close very well, so it doesn't give us security. So today is finally the day we are having our new Palladio door installed and I can't wait to show you. Okay, so the fitters has just left. I've got the keys. I'm so happy with the colour of it. It really ties in well with our Grey Corner theme. I absolutely love these silver trims on the door. I love how stylish this glass piece is. It really does finish the door off. The fitters have done such an amazing job fitting the door. So all in all, the whole process with Palladio doors has been amazing from start to finish. A huge thank you to Palladio Doors for having my dream door installed.